Hi guys, you are watching Tech Bros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up your Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile and what setting you need to do when you first time insert SIM card in your Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile. You can also use this method to set up your Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro and other Redmi mobiles. So first of all, insert SIM card in your Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile. Guys, I have only one SIM, so I am inserting this SIM card in SIM slot 1. From here, press power button and switch on your mobile. Now your mobile is switch on. Press go button. Default language is selected English India. If you want to change language, you can change from here. Otherwise, press go button. Choose your region. Guys, if you have Wi-Fi connection, then you can enter your Wi-Fi password. Otherwise, you can skip this method. If you want to copy your data from old mobile, then you can press next. Otherwise, press don't copy. Now you have to enter your email ID, but before entering your email ID, always remember whenever you want to format or restore your mobile, or if your mobile is lost or stolen, you have to enter the same email ID. So always remember this email ID and password that you have synced with your mobile. Press agree. So always remember whenever you want to format hard reset your mobile, if your mobile is stolen, you have to enter this Google account and Me account. So it is very important to you. You have to always remember your Me account and Google account that you have synced with this mobile. So our account is added. Now you have to set up your fingerprint and pattern lock. If you want to go with classic mode, then you can select classic. Otherwise, if you want to go with drawer mode, then select drawer mode. If you want to install these applications, then press install button. Otherwise, press skip button. Press go button. Guys, it takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to set up. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.